What is your favorite place in town?
I like the park. It has many trees and flowers and lots of grass.
I like the park too. My favorite place is the mall.
The mall? What do you like about it?
Well, it has some nice cafes and cheap stores for shopping.
True. It also has some good restaurants.
It does. It has a really good Korean restaurant.
Oh, I love that place. It's really good.
What are you cooking? It smells great.
I am making chicken stew.
Oh, it looks so good.
Here, have a taste.
Oh my gosh. This tastes fantastic.
I'm so glad you like it.
What's wrong? You look terrible.
I feel terrible. I have a cold.
Oh, sorry to hear that.
Any advice?
Well, I hear vinegar and lemon juice helps.
That sounds awful. No thanks.
What food do you have? I'm hungry.
We have some fruit. We have some oranges, an apple, and 2 bananas.
Yeah, I don't want fruit. I'm not hungry for that.
Well, we have some chips and some peanuts.
Yeah, I don't want a snack. I want a meal. What else do we have?
We have some leftovers. We have some pizza and some salad.
That sounds perfect. Do you want some?
No, I'm not hungry. Thank you, though.
I'm going to the supermarket. What do we need?
We need some milk, some bread, and some juice.
Do we need any eggs?
No, we have a lot of eggs.
Do we need any butter?
Yes, we have a little butter, but we need more.
Do we have any apples?
We have a few apples, but we need some more, I think.
I like your sweater. Is it wool?
No, it is cotton. Feel it.
Wow, it feels so soft.
It is. It is so comfy, too.
It looks comfy. I want one.
Well, Christmas is almost here. Maybe someone special might get you one.
Oh, that sounds promising.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, can I get a cafe mocha, please?
Okay, and can I get your name?
It's Jason. And can I get that without cream?
Of course. Anything else?
Yeah, can I get one of these muffins?
Sure. That comes to $5.45.
Great. Can I pay by debit card?
You sure can.
Awesome. And can I get a receipt?
Of course. Here's your receipt.
Thanks.
You can pick up your order over there.
Okay. Do you have a big apartment?
No, it is very small. It has a kitchen, a living room, and 2 bedrooms.
How many bathrooms does it have?
It has 2 bathrooms.
Do you have a balcony?
No, but I have a view of the lake and the mountains.
What is the apartment building like?
It is nice. It has a pool, a laundry room, and a gym.
Wow. Sounds like a nice place.
It's all right. Not great, but not bad.
Is there a gym at your school?
Yes, but it is not very good.
Oh, why is that?
Well, there isn't much equipment.
Oh, that's too bad. My school has a nice gym.
Does it have nice equipment?
Yes, it has lots of weight machines, but not many free weights.
Sounds a lot better than my gym. So, Bob, can you come to the party?
Yes, I can. But can I get your address?
It's really long. Can I email it to you?
That will work. Oh, and can I get your number?
Yes, it's 555-4343-3222.
You know what? Can you just put it in the email?
Sure, can do. What are you doing?
Shopping for clothes online. I need some clothes for my ski trip.
What do you need?
I need a ski jacket, some gloves, and a scarf.
I have a scarf. Do you want it?
No, thank you. I have an old scarf, but I want a new one.
What about skis? I have some skis. Do you want to use them?
Yes, I do. Thank you for the offer.
My pleasure. Please, come and get them anytime.
Thank you. I appreciate that.